Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Let's start our first lesson. Look at these pictures. What are they doing? They are doing something. In these all pictures, the actions is being done. Look at the first one. He is kicking the ball. Second, the man is reading a book. In third, the boy is running fast. In these all, the action is being done. I'm telling you the use of verb with ing in present form. We use ing form of verb for current situation with the help of these helping verbs am, is, are. Look, kicking. Kick is a verb and this is the form of kicking. Second is reading. Read is a verb and this is in a form of reading. And third one is running. Now I will tell you which helping verb is used with which pronouns. With I, we use am. With he, she, it, and any singular noun, we use is. Like he is writing, she is writing, it is writing, Ali is writing. For you, they, we, and any plural noun, we use are. Like you are eating, they are eating, we are eating, Ali and Sana are eating. Have you done this exercise in copy? Hopefully, you have done this exercise in copy. If you did not do, complete this one. These are pronouns and nouns. The three helping verbs am, is, are given, and there are the half of the sentence you have to complete this all table in your copy. Like I am playing in the ground. He, yes, he is cooking in the kitchen. We are taking bath in pool. She is sleeping in the room. You are eating junk food. They are sleeping in the room. Ahmed, singular noun. Ahmed is buying the vegetables. Neela is skipping in the yard. Monkeys, not monkeys. So monkeys mean this is plural noun. Monkeys are jumping on the trees. Monkeys are jumping on the trees. Last one is bear. Bear is catching the fishes. This is a new assignment for you. Make present continuous sentences. The sentences that I told you, the same that I told you, you have to write in your copy with this all pronouns and nouns. Only pronouns and nouns are given. You have to write by your own. This is a creativity task.
Okay, students, now it's time for a speaking exercise. There is a picture. You can show different people doing different things in this picture, and you have to tell what they are doing. There, the verbs are given there below. So I'm giving you some time to read this. Okay, your time starts now. One, two, three. Do this exercise by yourself. First, now tell me about second picture. I hope you would have done. Now Sarah will read this full page for you. She is dancing. Amin is sleeping. They are cleaning. Amna is reading the book. The man is working. Mom and Samra are cooking. Amna is kicking the ball. Umar is studying. She is listening the music. Akbar is reading the newspaper. They all are watching the television. Very good, Sarah, very good. Now the student, all of you who are listening this, you have to do it by yourself twice. Okay, this was today's lesson.